and welcome to Zee Commodity Capsule. Oil prices are off 1 week highs which it touched in the previous trading session but are trading below the $66 mark as far as Brent crude is concerned after Israel and Hamas agreed for the first phase of a plan to end the war in Gaza, which is weighing on the oil's war risk premium and pushing the investors to sell. We have seen the US, that's the WTI crude, falling beneath the $62 a barrel mark. We saw US President Donald Trump posting through Truth Social that Israel and Hamas had reached a long-sought deal for a Gaza ceasefire and hostages would be released under a plan for ending the 2-year-old war in the Palestinian enclave. Gold prices along with silver are also off record highs in global as well as domestic markets. As far as international markets are concerned, we have seen COMEX gold for December delivery, which is the active futures contract in international market, is trading off its life high of $4,081 an ounce, which it touched in the previous trading session. As far as domestic market is concerned, we saw MCX gold reaching its new high of 1,23,450 rupees for 10 grams. But on Thursday, we are seeing both gold on COMEX and MCX are trading off its recent life high. Same is the case with silver prices, wherein the commodity on international as well as the domestic benchmark is off its recent highs. We have seen the FOMC minutes of the September 16th meeting showing that US Central Bank agreed that the risk to the US jobs market had risen enough to warrant a rate cut, but they remained cautious amid persistent inflation and debate over how much borrowing costs are weighing on the economy. Meanwhile, we have also seen that some of the geopolitical uncertainties have cooled off with Israel and Hamas agreeing to the initial phase of the peace deal. Meanwhile, markets are pricing in an additional 25 basis points cut for the month of October as well as December, with the probabilities of 95% and 83% respectively. Silver prices have slipped, trading near $48 an ounce, while in domestic markets we saw silver pairing nearly 1,000 rupees from the highs it touched in the previous trading session. HSBC now sees a wider range of $45 to $53 an ounce for the remainder of 2025. Shanghai copper jumped to more than 16-month high on Thursday. Same is the case with LME copper, which is trading near its May 2024 highs. We have seen ICSG, that's the International Copper Study Group, now expects a 150,000 ton deficit in 2026. Copper prices found some support also coming from the US dollar, which is drifting lower, and Malaysian palm oil prices climbed to a third straight session on Thursday, driven by strength in rival Dalian oil and Indonesia's biodiesel plants, though traders are expected to take profit ahead of the Malaysian palm oil board's monthly data release.